Hello, hello. My name is Dorian, joined by my wife and celebrity menswear stylist, Ashley Weston.
Hello.
So today, guys, we are doing a video that has been highly requested, actually.
We're about to just get slaughtered.
It's gonna be a good one. So guys, today, you know what we're talking about. Why women hate Jordans.
Yep.
It's a simple fact.
Yep.
Women have been saying this for years and years now, and it's time that is committed to record. So Ash, number 5 on the list is what exactly? What is the 5th most reason women hate Jordans?
Okay. Women hate Jordans because they make your legs and your feet look super stubby. So unless you're like 6'3", 6'5", you've got slim legs, they're gonna look really cut off with these chunky ass Jordans. And also with Jordans, they make your feet look really small. So unless you're a size 13, you're gonna look like you've got really small feet, which generally indicates to women that you've got a really small So that's my biggest reason. So unless you're like really thin, you can usually pull off Jordans, but if you've got some hips or some thighs, you're just gonna look like you've got short, wide legs.
And Ash, the 4th reason women hate Jordans is?
They make men look like they're little boys. It's like a phase they should have grown out of, but they're still like, they don't want to let it go.
So it's like a kid that never got out of the Ninja Turtle phase.
Yes, exactly.
He's 30 years old.
Or still wants his baba.
He's 25, 30, 40 years old and still wearing his Ninja Turtle shirt and talking about how amazing pizza is.
Yeah, it's just immediately when women see a man in Jordans, it's like, something very immature about this man, like this man boy.
And the 3rd reason women hate Jordans is?
You can't help but think, just how much money did you spend on those shoes that maybe you should have spent it somewhere else, in another part of your life to better yourself and better just, everything about you.
So you're saying it emotes an irresponsibility?
Yeah. Yep. Pretty much. I don't know how else to expand upon that, but yeah.
And the 2nd to last reason women hate Jordans is what?
I've kind of already alluded to this, but it's so hard to take someone that is wearing Jordans seriously. Because when they insert their opinion and you're just looking down at their feet and you see these sneakers, it's like, okay, you need to just stop talking. Let the adults in the room talk, because how much experience could you really have? How much do you really know? Because if you knew a lot, if you can actually contribute something to the conversation, then you probably wouldn't be wearing those sneakers.
Ouch. Jesus. And Ash, the number 1 reason that women absolutely hate Jordans, but before we get into that, guys, there is a bonus reason that's gonna come up after this. You might wanna stick around for that one. Trust me on this one.
It's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. So Ash, the number 1 reason women hate Jordans is?
Sorry, I have to say this, but Jordan fans are the most obnoxious, annoying fans out there. It's like they can't shut the fuck up about these sneakers. No one cares.
So fellas, we alluded to something a little bit earlier, and I want you to take note of the release date of this video. Just think about it for a minute. The 1st of April tends to be a day when perhaps people play jokes on people, and I want everyone to look at the comments below, because you'll be able to tell right away if they even bothered to watch the whole video, listen to what we said. I guarantee there's so knee-jerk reactions down there, and they clearly are just saying a bunch of crap without even having watched the video, because this is usually what happens when guys start brigading. Yeah. But it's so funny we did this. April Fools, guys. Ash, are you a fan of Jordans? Do you use Jordans with your clients, etc.?
Yeah, I use Jordans with my clients. I don't hate them that much. I hate them on certain people or if they're styled a certain way. But for the most part, I'm a big Jordan fan, actually. I used to not like Jordans, but now I actually fully appreciate sneakers.
You've come around.
High top. Yeah, and I style them on my clients all the time. So honestly, what I just said, I mean, there's some truth in some of the stuff I I have said
But
actually.
never, not that
But no,
harsh.
no.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a little bit of fun with it. If you didn't have fun with it, that means you didn't watch the video to completion. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Thumbs if you love this one. Thumbs if you liked it. Subs if you loved it. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.